Hello from the food forest. Today I want to show you the fruit that you can have within 2 years or under 2 years when you start growing it from a seed. If you know me or if you know my channel, you know that most of the fruiting trees and bushes I have in my food forest here are grown by myself, either from a seed or from a cutting. Not all, but most of them. And today, let's have a look at the fruit you can get in a super quick time when you start growing it today. If you are interested in some of the fruit and you want me to show you how I grew it, or how to grow it from a seed to get the result I do or I've got, so put the comment below and I will try to make the video as soon as possible and show you how I do it. So now let's go. So the very first fruit I want to show you, I'm harvesting it right now at the moment, is the lemon guava or the yellow cherry guava, or all guavas basically that we've got. I started to harvest them within 2 years after starting from a seed. And this little bush, it's about not even 1 meter high, and it has fruited for the second time in a row and is in third year now. And it doesn't matter what guava you choose to grow, you can expect the first fruit within 2 years. This Thai white guava is actually in its third year, and I already had fruit twice. And look, the beautiful happy fruit. Just next to it I have the Hawaiian guava, which you won't believe is 3 years old. Look at it. It's huge. And this is the yellow one, yellow inside and pink, yellow outside and pink inside. We have some fruit fly damage too, but I'm not worried about it because our birds actually love the fruit. Quails are crazy, especially if there is a fruit fly in it. But interesting tip about guava, actually, you can use the green guava in salads, in cooking, in stir fries, so you don't need to wait until the fruit is ripe. This green beauty is already ready to use for, in some nice salads and in stir fries and so on. And if you don't know yet, the young guava leaves, they are very good for tea, loaded with health benefits. So of course not the old ugly ones, but I always harvest the young ones, dehydrate and keep in a jar, and we drink our tea blends from our fruit trees all the time. I made a video about it actually, so if you are interested you might want to check my channel. This young guava bush is 1.5 years old, and I already have the first fruit here. This is the Brazilian guava. So yeah, I have quite a few varieties of guavas. If you are interested, let me know. I will make a special video about what guavas I've got. Here, more lemon guava, guavas everywhere. The next on my list is the Ceylon Hill gooseberry. Fantastic fruit, and it is also fruiting at the moment. I will grab, ow, this is the finger lime, which is a very naughty one. And I get into, look at it. So the Ceylon Hill gooseberry, super delicious fruit. It's similar color to blueberries, and also it tastes very similar, but it grows much better in our subtropical climate. It loves the hot sun, our hot summers, but it will also happily grow in the cooler climates too, because actually it doesn't mind some light frost. So this one is really all-rounder and it's super easy to grow from a seed. I will show you how, because I already have some people who are struggling to grow it from a seed. I will make a dedicated video about it. Oh, here's some nice one. Oh, yummy. I will show you how they look like inside. Super sweet and delicious. I hope I can get the focus right. With the little seeds inside. Which I don't mind at all. So here the inside of the fruit, super juicy, delicious, sweet, tastes similar to blueberry, and it is fruiting twice a year here in the subtropics. And you can see the little bush is loaded with fruit. Some of them are already ripe, but still plenty. And it's already got new shoots. We are now middle in summer, so the next crop will be in winter. Look at the pretty fruit and the beautiful, nice growth. When you grow Ceylon Hill gooseberry from a seed, you need to know that it is a very slow starter. Very slow starter. It takes a quite long time until you can see them sprouting, the seeds, until you can see the young seedlings. And also the seedlings take super long until they got a few leaves. But as soon as they have, like, let's say 6-7 leaves, they will start to grow very quickly. If you give it a good soil and some love, they will give you fruit within 2 years. I had the first Ceylon Hill gooseberry fruits within 2 years. And the third type of fruit that you can have within 2 years from planting, from sowing the seed, is the passion fruit. yes, the beautiful, delicious passion fruit. I see when it goes easily off, it's ready. And also the ones that are on the ground, like here, is ready too. And there, beautiful, delicious passion fruit. This is the Panama Red. And yes, passion fruit is one of the fruit that you can grow from a seed easily and harvest the fruit within 2 years. Look, loaded with fruit. This plant is in its second year now, about 1.5 years. And it's loaded with fruit as well. And it's fruiting twice a year too. And look at it, we have lots of fruit, but also little flower buds too. So it looks like we will have the next lot of fruit very quickly. So the next one, which is not in season now, but I will try to find some images and blend them into the video, is the Tamarillo. So when you grow Tamarillo from a seed, it will give you the fruit within 2 years as well. So this one is just after fruiting, and I have cut it, yeah, as you can see, because it didn't look happy after the fruiting. But look, I cut it like 2 weeks ago, and it's starting to push new growth. So it actually liked it, and it's getting new leaves. Maybe I get a second fruiting time within 1 year. And the last one for today, which is also not in season, is the Brazilian cherry. I have 2 varieties. This is the black one, and we already had the very first fruit. And I also have the red one, and it was also fruiting. The red one had more fruit than the black one, but yeah, this is also 2 years old. And we already harvested the first fruit. I have a few of them growing, and I must say the black Brazilian cherry is delicious. The red one is more tart. It's also nice, but yeah, the black one is super yummy. Growing fruit from a seed is the most economical way, the cheapest way to get into your own fruit, because either you can buy the seeds, which are relatively cheap, or you can buy the fruit, or you can get the fruit from somewhere and harvest your own seeds. If you buy seeds, if you get the seeds from my online shop, from me, these are always the seeds from my food forest. I always make sure that I supply the fresh seeds, and I also test the seeds if they are still good. So yeah, that's basically what you have to consider about the seeds. They have to be fresh, and they have to be super ripe. That's the most important 2 factors. And how to grow fruit from a seed, if you are interested, I can make a separate video about it. And this is the fruit I harvested while making the video. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video. Uh, I hope I could give you some motivation to grow your own fruit from a seed. Have a good one. Wishing you all the best with all your gardening projects. Let me know how you do with your gardens. If you are struggling with anything, you wanna see a video about anything, let me know. Okay guys, take care. Bye bye.